usigeuke kutuangalia. Sikiliza tu tunachotoa direction gani itatolewa.
Usijikaze baba.
We started by getting a story from Mr Mopao. So he's the one who had the idea of a storyline which he had. After that, me and Kushi, we sat down and came up with the storyboard and the treatment of the movie. You don't cut the shot, you come down to his feet, up to there.
Tunataka hiki kipande ndani ya sekunde 6.
From the bus, we cut to the beach of the small boy playing. Look like from the camera, then to the boy. So we shot for 2 days. This being the last day, I think we have achieved what we intended to. Exactly.
Hold on.
Exactly what I wanted. I hope we are going to get a nice short movie. I think you are a bit close with it. The whole purpose of this movie is to try to enlighten people about how people with albinism are being treated in some African countries.